If you drive a Jeep Grand Cherokee, brake failure isn't just a scary story, it can really happen. Here's why. First, let's talk about brake fluid. If it leaks out, your brakes won't work. You might notice the pedal feels soft or goes all the way down. Next, worn out brake pads. If the pads get too thin, they can't grip the wheels. You might hear squeaking or grinding sounds. Then, there's the master cylinder. This part moves the brake fluid. If it fails, you lose pressure, and the brakes stop working right. Another reason? Air in the brake lines. Air doesn't squeeze like fluid does. Even a small bubble can keep the brakes from working. Sometimes, it's the ABS system. This is your anti-lock brakes. If the warning light comes on, there's a problem. Don't ignore it. So what should you do? If your Jeep's brakes feel weird, make noise, or a warning light pops up, stop driving. Get them checked by a pro. Remember, good brakes keep you and everyone else safe on the road. Don't take chances with your brakes. Stay safe out there.